In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery block in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a portfolio or showcasing a collection of images, adding a gallery can help you transform the visual appeal of your site effortlessly. The process is simple, so let's dive right in. First, you need to access your Squarespace editor. Begin by heading to your website's configuration pages. This is where you'll make all the changes and customizations necessary for your site. Once there, look for the option that says Add Section. By clicking this, you'll be able to introduce new features or content areas to your page. As you click on Add Section, several options will appear. The selection that we're interested in here is Images. By choosing this, you're indicating that you want to add an image-related block, which is integral to creating your gallery. After clicking Images, you'll be presented with a variety of gallery block designs. Take a moment to review these designs, as selecting the right one will depend on the layout that best suits your website's theme or personal preference. Moving forward, once you've chosen a gallery block design, the next step is to click Edit Gallery. This action allows you to customize which images you want displayed or modified in the block you've added. If there's an image already present that you wish to remove, simply click on the image, then look for the Remove option. Selecting this will delete the image from the gallery. After making these changes, confirm your actions by clicking Confirm. This ensures that all your edits are saved appropriately. After confirming your edits, you can close out several panels, bringing you back to the main section view. Here, click on Edit Section. It allows you additional customization options for the section you've just added. You will see an option for Gallery, which lets you further refine how images are displayed within the gallery block. You might want to experiment with layout options and adjust the spacing, alignment, or even tweak how images transition within the gallery. There's also an option labeled Colors. By clicking on it, you'll have the ability to alter the visual tones and hues of the gallery. This feature is essential to ensure that the gallery aligns with your site's color scheme, creating a visually coherent look across all sections. Finally, after all the adjustments and customizations, make sure to click on Save. Saving your changes is crucial, as it ensures that all your hard work is preserved and made visible on your live site. And there you have it, a fully customized gallery block on your Squarespace site. Take your time to explore these features and don't hesitate to tweak them until they perfectly capture the essence of what you're trying to present. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.